Chris Pratt needs your help. He's asking people to create a new header for his Facebook homepage, but as expected, fans flocked to Photoshop with some hysterical results. I could totally see him striking that pose. Hey guys, I'm Sean Dowling for Buzz60, and Pratt understands today's internet culture. He loved it when he found out he'd become a meme, and recreated the famous Jurassic World raptor scene at a children's hospital. But something tells me he didn't expect all this. He harmlessly posted to Facebook, "I want to do a contest. Whoever replies with the best header will have the honor of it being my official header." He welcomes Photoshop and hints that the winner will get a free dinner at Applebee's. Endless apps? I'm digging it. And fans were digging the contest, posting hundreds of hilarious mashups. Like Pratt with velociraptors. He's got the perfect "I'm flying" expression. And he's really flying in this pic as the kid in E.T. with the alien replaced as a dinosaur. One fan posted a throwback montage asking, "Will the real Chris Pratt please stand up?" While another posted a throwback of Pratt having fun in our nation's capital. And speaking of politics, this guy just has a great suggestion. I don't know how he's gonna be diplomatic about this. There are so many good ones. Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.